Where are we going next?
A university for humanity. This is the legacy that Bicol University wants to live.
Whenever we speak of quality education, Bicol University has never failed to be on the list of highly regarded academic institutions that provide diverse and dynamic programs and elevated educational instructions and systems. Bicol University was founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of Republic Act 5521. It was established to help students achieve their highest potential by engaging in activities that are offered by the academic community. It has been continuing to progress and transform the lives of every young Filipino aspirant to change, WNUs. Thus, every student must uphold the four pillars of the university: scholarship, leadership, service, and character. With the continuous development of the university, the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy was created through Board Resolution number 075 on September 10, 2004. Since then, BUCSSP has been one of the brightest colleges in adhering to the students' needs and in achieving various awards.
One of the programs managed under BUCSSP was BS Psychology in accordance with the provisions of BU-BOR Resolution number 255. In March 2018, a new department was approved to offer and establish a program that aims to produce proficient future psychometricians and psychologists who will help more Bicolanos understand the prevalence of mental problems and the significance of providing interventions to address them. Although it is the youngest of all CSSP academic programs, the students are constantly nourished by the respective teaching team, obtaining enormous and community beneficial achievements and a commitment to promoting its advocacies.
Why did we go with BS Psychology? Apart from the fact that a bachelor degree in psychology can lead to employment in a variety of fields, there is also a lot of room for personal advantages and development. Above all, we are first and foremost aware that we are to work with the humanities because we are driven by the deep-seated desire to make a difference to other people's lives. As future psychologists, we hope to devote our time and efforts to helping individuals overcome hardship, improve their well-being, and reach their greatest potential.
Ang pinaka-tumatak po sa akin na experience ko sa almost ilang sinarito ko sa BU is yung first exam namin sa ITT. Para po yun nag-serve ng wake-up call ko na nasa college na pala ako. Tapos hanggang ngayon ko, habang iniisip ko siya, parang nagtitindigan yung balahibo ko. So sobrang pressure, stress. As for experience, nung simula, syempre, ang expectation ko, wala namang math. So nagulit ako, bigla na nagkaroon ng psych stats, pero lucky enough naman, mabuti namang prof si Sir Hinlo. Ay, walang biro. Magandang prof si Sir Hinlo, lalo na kapag magpapa-advise kayo ng thesis, tapos konti yung paper nyo. Galing ni Sir Hinlo doon. Ang pinaka-goal ko po talaga ate nung pagpunta ko sa BU ay makasurvive nang ako lang. Pero habang nakilala ko yung mga friends ko, sabi ko isasama ko sila. Siyempre, ang goal ko, pumasa. Kaya naman siguro gustong bumagsak pa, lalo na 4th year na tayo. Yun, gusto kong makapasa, makagraduate. Tapos siyempre, kapag magtatrabaho naman na ako or mag-pursue ako ng masters, gusto ko, maganda naman na madala ko yung pangalan ng BU. Matino naman sana ako. Yun. So, more learnings pa in the future.